Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix it if you accidentally delete Google Play services. Let's begin. First, it's important to know you can't uninstall or delete Google Play services from your Android phone unless your device is rooted. But if you somehow removed it on a rooted phone, don't panic. Yes, Google Play services is a core system component, and without it, many apps will crash or stop working. But there's a fix. Open your browser, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer, and search for Google Play Services APK. Visit apkmirror.com, a trusted site for safe and original Android app files. Now, find the latest version of Google Play Services that matches your Android version and device architecture. Download the APK file. Once it's downloaded, tap on the file to install it manually. If you get a warning, go to Settings, Security, and enable install from unknown sources for your browser. After installing, restart your phone. Then open Settings, Apps, and you should see Google Play services listed again. And that's it. Your phone should start working normally now. Thanks for watching.